So I am back after COVID and dengue and the zillion breaks I've taken, and I'm very excited to do something new. I'm doing an empties video today. So basically, I have this whole bag full of products that I've been trying over the past few months. I finished them. A lot of these are PR products. Some I've bought, some I've rebought. But yeah, basically taking you through products that I have completely finished. Number one on my list is this one. This is the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. Now, I'm going to show you guys this because it is completely empty. This is one of my favorite masks. I use this once or twice a week, and it's actually really great for like tired, fatigued skin. Works seamlessly with any routine because I use this with a lot of other like branded products as well, like mix and match, and it has never reacted with anything. It's also great when you're traveling, like when you take flights and you want that extra hydration. It is expensive, but they also have a really small jar which you can do like the starting, I think, trial pack, which is 25 ml, which is about 700 rupees. So I would recommend for all these products, a lot of them are slightly high end. I would recommend using the smaller packaging and testing it and trying it and seeing what works for your skin. But for me, this has been one of my favorites and it never disappoints. Then we have this guy. So this is In My Defense. You guys know I loved Hustle before this from the same brand. I used that. This one took a while. So sometimes skincare products don't initially like work for you. I don't know, my skin was going through a phase also when I started it, I think. And I used it for a bit, then I stopped. Then I started using it with an HA serum and it was amazing with the HA serum and really worked for my skin. This is something I've just finished. I finished the whole thing. It works really well if you want like a seamless routine with not like much happening. Like you don't want to layer 200 things. You can just do a serum and this and you're good to go. And it worked really well with an HA serum for me. Of course, you have to try and test, as I said. And I also would recommend don't give up on skincare like in a week or two. Your skin is going through different phases and all of that, and sometimes it takes, I would say, 20 to 30 days to really see if a cream is working for you or not, or a serum. And I like to at least put in 2 weeks before I say, okay, this is not for me. And this product is an example of that. So I kind of started with it, it was okay, and then it became amazing. Speaking of HA serums, this one is my current favorite. This is the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum. You guys have seen this all over my Instagram, and yes, I was part of the campaign, but this is not part of the campaign. This is genuine love for this guy. It is over and I'm on my second bottle right now. I really love the instant hydration and plumpness you get with this. This is something I feel like with HA serum, I've heard a lot about it and I hadn't used it until I tried this one. And I'm also thinking of doing a video with different HA serums. Let me know. I've also got another one from another brand. If you guys want me to try and test maybe 3-4 and do a video of what I think of all of them, I can do that as well. Leave that in the comments. But this one is really affordable. And I think for everyday use and long term, if you want to kind of sustain it, it's a great purchase and it has worked really well for my skin. Zero complaints. Loved it. Then we have this guy, which is the Glutaweis face wash. Now, I am a huge fan of glutathione and I feel like I've worked with the brand for the last, I would say over 8 months. We did a live as well on Instagram and I have had a huge education on glutathione through them. And it's been quite incredible to understand the ingredient and the misconceptions that people have with glutathione and whitening and all of that. And this has become one of my staple face washes. I have used this since last November or December and I'm still using it. I love that it has this, head with whatever the silicone things and it's foamy. I really enjoy this foam face wash now and it lasts forever. Now, this is not cheap, but it is fantastic because I think this bottle lasted me about at least 4 to 5 months. And yeah, I mix it up with using my usual Medimix soap and all of that here there. But it is really good and it's a product I feel like I'm going to be using for a very long time. Next thing I finished is their Radiance cream. You can see I have completely polish this guy. Okay, like there's not even a dot of cream left in this. This and the face wash together, whenever I have used it, honestly, there was a period, I think now I'm back to using, this is my current skincare routine, that HA serum and this. And every time I'm on their routine, I feel like people keep asking me for my skincare routine and say my skin is glowing. And the radiance and that inner glow is pretty real with this. I feel that at least a lot. And it's one of those creams that's really like rich and nourishing, and you use it at night, you wake up with this glowy skin is the feeling I've had over the past few months. And I remember when I did the face wash, their serum and the cream, I got a ton of compliments. Again, now I'm on their face wash, the serum and this, and again, skin is doing really well. Okay, then we have another face wash. This one is Dr. Barbara Sturm, which I think is it's a German brand, which is really, really popular. Again, it was a foamy face wash. As you can see, the head is like the foamy head. Finished it completely. This was part of a PR package. It is, I think, the priciest face wash I've used. Like, it's 5,000 something, and it's on like the global store of Nike. I don't know, you get it everywhere and stuff, and then you have to pay shipping and whatever. So I'm assuming the face wash ultimately comes to about 6,000 rupees ish, which is very expensive for a face wash. It's very good, but I don't know if I would like repurchase at that price in terms of for something that you use every day and you use so much of. But having said that, I will say all these foam face washes last really, really long. Like, I feel like it takes very long to go through a bottle and actually finish it, you know. And I'm someone that washes my face twice a day, morning, evening. And a lot of times Weber is digging into my products and washing his face as well. So I feel like they really, really last for quite a while. So even if they are expensive and they work for your skin and you can like afford it and you'd like it, I think it's a good option. I, however, prefer the Glutaweis face wash right now, and I'm kind of loving that. But this was good as well, but I'm not sure if I would repurchase at these prices. Remember when I mentioned like teeny tiny packaging in the beginning of this video? Ta-da! This is what I meant. Like, get smaller sizes of skincare, try it for 2-3 weeks, see if it works for you, and then invest in the bigger, like, you know, jars, especially for the more expensive stuff. Now, this is the Sulwhasoo concentrated ginseng rewind cream. Again, this is a pricey cream, but it is so, so good. All of Sulwhasoo's products, even like you guys know, I love that peel off mask. That, of course, the big packaging takes forever to finish. But this guy I managed to use for, I think, a few weeks, and I really, really like this. Again, it's one of those luxury, you know, great creams that you can use day and night. Or if you want to just use it as a night cream sparingly as well, that works because then it'll last you longer. And I would still recommend for anything that you're buying, you know, if it's an expensive product, get the smallest size and try it and see if it works for you, and then invest in like the bigger products, because that's the best way to check for your skin, because everybody's, you know, skin is different. What you're going through in your body at that point is different. So you don't know what's going to work for you or not work for you. But I really, really like using this guy for like the 3 weeks that I used it. Really would recommend this. Up next, we have one of my usual favorites. You guys have seen me use this for years and years and years, but I think I've needed it the most over the last 2 or 3 years now that I'm like majorly graying. This is the L'Oreal Paris Magic Retouch Root Touch Up Concealer Spray. I use the shade Dark Brown. It comes in a few shades. I think there's a black, a dark brown, and some more. The black I find is too stark for my hair because I do color my hair. And this, I actually even use this with my pink hair right now, guys. So over the last few months, I've had pink hair, but as you can see, my roots are still dark. So I always do darker roots because obviously that's the area you need to touch up. And I don't color my hair like every 3 weeks or 4 weeks or whatever. I color it like every 3-4 months or 2 months sometimes. So there's obviously a lot of gray by that point. So right now with the pink, what I do is I sometimes don't just spray it on because obviously then it doesn't mix with the pink. I brush it on with either a mascara brush or a toothbrush after I put it onto that, and I just conceal my roots. But it works really, really well even with the pink. And let me know if you guys want a proper video or a reel on, again, how I use this. I can show you guys different ways of application and stuff like that, because it's something I've been using for years now. I remember it wasn't one of my to buy or not to buy videos, and at that time I didn't have grey hair and I used my mum as my model. Well, now I don't need mummy because I've got enough grey to use me as the model for this, but it really works well in between colors. If you're someone that colors your hair and you want a root touch up and you don't want to go the whole hog, this I would definitely recommend. This is like in my regular ration, like it comes whatever every 2 months. Then we have this guy, which is my new red hot favorite. This is the Wella INVIGO Color Brilliance shampoo. Now I've tried a lot of color protect shampoos lately because obviously, as you see, I've been experimenting with like pinks and purples and reds in my hair. And to make them last longer, you need like a proper color protect shampoo. And a lot of them are quite expensive, but I think in the affordable range, I really like this one again because I wash my hair quite frequently. This is about 650, I think. So again, lasts for a while. It's not like, it's quite a decent size bottle. It's not, and I think it really does a great job with color protection and hydration, which is what I saw. Like a lot of the other ones, I felt like my color was being protected, but my hair wasn't exactly feeling softer. And you guys know I don't really have soft, you know, like straight hair. So I felt like with this one, even if I didn't dry my hair, like blow dry it or anything, it definitely had a softer feel to it and it was affordable. And this is something I've ordered again right now since I've just recolored and gone pink again. Because I really feel like it worked very well. And again, don't go by the bottle because it's not for like red or pink hair. It's just any colored hair. It just happens that I match the bottle right now. But yeah, that's not what it's for. Then last but not the least, we have a Kerastase mask that I have completely finished, guys, for once. So, you know, I feel like years ago, I was talking about a Kerastase mask and I had said I would not buy it again because I had bought it from the salon. I was so sparingly using it because I was like, oh my god, it's so expensive and I wash my hair every day and stuff like that. So this is the Curl Manifesto one and they had actually sent me this when my hair was longer, and obviously you guys know my natural texture is more like wavy and curly. This is obviously blow dried right now, I mean with the Dyson brush and whatever. So I was using this when my hair was longer and I finished it completely. I feel like it worked really well for that wave or curl. If you want like a hydrated, nice curl, it works really well with that. The other thing I will say I've learned now is that, you know, when you're buying expensive products, I tend to buy the ones that I don't need to use every day as more expensive. So as I said, I would buy maybe the Wella shampoo, which is like cheaper, and buy like a Kerastase mask, which would last me longer because I'm using it once or twice a month. I mean, not a month, a week, I guess. Or sometimes a month if I forget. I'm that much of a flake. Or I would recommend like the Laneige sleep mask, as I said, because it's 2 to 3 times a week. So if you want to try like maybe a dose of luxury in your skincare routine, keep the other things simple, and the ones that you're using sparingly, you know, get something fancy which will last you for a longer time. That's the tip I would give you because that's what I do personally as well when I'm buying products. Seeing what I'm using more of, what's working well for me, how long it's going to take me to finish a jar of something. Like this took me, I think, like 4 or 5 months or more to finish, and I use it quite like generously because I didn't buy it. But, you know, so that's what I mean. Like, it lasts for a while if you use it like well. So you invest in the right kind of products and I feel like they make all that difference. So guys, those were all the products I've tried over the last few months. Like some of these, as I said, I've started using last year in November, December. I take really long to go through my products. I try to use things sparingly and I also mix and match here there. So it takes me really long to finish stuff. But if you like this video, then I can keep collecting like all my empties and do this every, you know, few months if I can. And I do have some other products also which are on the verge of finishing, so maybe we can do another one. Let me know in the comments if you like this format and we can recreate it. So that's it from me, guys. As I said, reply to all my 50 million questions in the comments, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!